Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Escape bumper. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Safety is key, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. This project is quite manageable, and you can expect the entire process to take about 30 to 45 minutes from start to finish. Having the right tools makes all the difference for a smooth experience. Now, let's tackle the front bumper. Begin by removing the plastic clips and screws located along the top edge of the bumper cover, usually under the hood. Next, you'll need to access fasteners inside the wheel wells. Turning your front wheels can give you better access. Once those are loose, carefully detach the bumper from its main mounting points and any electrical connectors for lights or sensors. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. Moving to the rear bumper, the process is quite similar. Start by locating and removing the plastic clips and screws along the top edge of the rear bumper cover. You might also need to remove the taillight assemblies to access some hidden fasteners located directly behind them. Once all fasteners are clear, gently pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle, being mindful of any wiring for license plate lights or parking sensors that need to be disconnected. Patience is crucial here. Reinstalling your bumper is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully align the bumper and reattach all electrical connectors before securing it with the clips and screws. Double-check that all fasteners are tight and the bumper is properly aligned with the body panels to prevent any gaps. For other great deals, and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check the link in the description below. A well-installed bumper ensures both safety and a clean look for your Ford Escape.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.